As the saying goes, a journey of 1,000 miles begins at your feet. And the journey of this European version of the brick machine I bring to you. Adopt branded electrical parts to ensure long-term stable operation. Break the embarrassing situation of slow speed and many failures of traditional brick machines on the market. The European version of the brick machine truly brings you a high-quality construction experience, boosts your productivity. Our European version of brick machine adopts imported brand electrical parts, superior performance, longer service life, and lower failure rate. While ensuring speed, it can also greatly improve the quality of bricks, make your building more durable. The European version of the brick machine really doubles your productivity. In addition, the European version of the brick machine adopts advanced design concepts, more compact structure, smaller footprint, easy to move and store. At the same time, the operation is more simple and convenient, make your production management easier. The European version of the brick machine helps you achieve the rapid progress of equipment is a huge asset. We are well aware that a high-quality brick machine. Choosing the European version of the brick machine is to choose quality, choose trust, and choose success. We believe that as long as you own the European version of the brick machine, the construction industry will shine even brighter. Hurry up and take action. The tremendous changes brought about by the construction industry for you.